In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Miro. Whether you're starting a fresh board or jumping back into an existing project, this walkthrough will help you feel confident and organized from the moment you sign in. Once you log in, you'll land on your Miro dashboard where all your boards are laid out. To begin, click Create New Board to start from scratch, or select a board you've already been working on to continue editing. Your work saves automatically as you go, so you don't need to worry about losing progress. If you're creating something new, give your board a clear name so you and your teammates can find it easily later. Let's get familiar with the toolbar on the left. Sticky notes are perfect for quick ideas, brainstorming, or jotting down feedback. Shapes let you build diagrams, flowcharts, and labeled blocks that add structure. The text tool is ideal for headings, labels, and longer explanations. Upload allows you to bring in images, PDFs, and other files to enrich your board. And frames help you organize content into sections like slides or chapters, so your board stays tidy and easy to navigate. To add elements, click the tool you want, then click once on the canvas to place it. You can drag any element to move it, use the corner handles to resize, and the circular handle to rotate. Double-click inside a sticky note or text box to edit the text. If you want to keep a consistent style, duplicate elements instead of starting from scratch, then tweak the content. Keep related items close together and use consistent colors to make your board easier to scan. To connect ideas, use lines or arrows to show relationships and flow. Select the line or arrow tool, then drag from one element to another. Miro will snap to connection points so your diagrams stay neat. You can change line styles and arrowheads to match your purpose and adjust curves to keep everything readable. This is especially helpful for creating mind maps, process flows, or decision trees. When it's time to collaborate, click the share button at the top of your board. Invite teammates with a link or by adding their email addresses, and choose the right permission level, like can edit or can comment. As people join, you'll see their cursors moving in real time. They can add content, leave comments directly on objects, and use emoji reactions to give quick feedback. Collaboration happens live, so you can brainstorm, refine, and present together without switching tools. That's the core of using Miro. Start your board, explore the toolbar, add and arrange elements, connect your ideas, and invite your team to collaborate in real time.